There's one other thing about the University of Maryland, one thing that makes it so special, that trumps all of that, and that's you, the students of the University of Maryland, and your incredible potential. And a potential that comes from one characteristic in particular, and that is your entrepreneurial spirit. Entrepreneurs aren't just the young upstarts. They're anyone that's trying to create something out of nothing. They're the people who want to start a project, form an organization, develop a product, build a new system for doing things because the old way of doing things is just not cutting it anymore. And we place great value on these qualities at PepsiCo because they help us keep at the cutting edge and ahead of competition. And you can find these entrepreneurs in every sector, not just business. Because for every company founder, there is an entrepreneur at an NGO or in government coming up with innovative ways to solve society's biggest problems. And that's the reason I'm here talking to you all about entrepreneurship, because we need more of it in every flavor. Because the challenges and the opportunities that we face today are more varied, more complex, and massive than ever before. Global megatrends like climate change and hunger affect all of us. Disruption touches not just business, but communities and societies. And the pace of change is breathtakingly fast. The pace of change is breathtakingly fast because it seems like just last week you were in the ACC. So change is fast. So whether you want to bring new ideas to business, nonprofits, or governments, don't hold back because we need you. We need Maryland graduates to be entrepreneurs, which means we need you to work towards a vision for a brighter future, to be bold and courageous leaders, and to embrace a diversity of ideas. Because if you combine those characteristics, you can be the kind of entrepreneur that changes the world.